How to upload song on ONErpm using phone. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can upload song on ONErpm using phone. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is open your browser and kindly go to ONErpm.com. And if you haven't signed up for ONErpm yet, you can check the video description below for a special discount link. And upon signing in, you will be directed on this dashboard of ONErpm. But before that, if you don't know ONErpm, it is a music distribution and rights management company similar to CD Baby, in which it provides services to independent musicians, labels, and content creators to distribute their music and manage their rights across various digital platforms. And aside from that, ONErpm offers a range of services including music distribution to streaming platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube, and many more, and also content monetization, rights management, YouTube channel management, analytics, marketing tools to help artists and creators maximize their reach and revenue. And now that we know the background info about this platform, to start uploading a song using our phone, from this dashboard, it will show you a variety of options that you can navigate, including amplifier, upload music, distribute video, join YouTube network, and many more. And to start uploading a song, kindly proceed by clicking this upload music option, in which upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. And to start uploading a music, all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information and complete the step-by-step process on the top panel. So firstly, under the album info, all you need to do is to fill out the required information, including the title of an album. And also below, you could select a various artists if you want to. And aside from that, under the primary artist or band name, you can simply enter the name of the artist in here. Or if you want to add additional artists, you can do so by simply clicking this plus button below, Add Artists. However, I'm just going to select a primary artist, so from here, on the search bar, all you need to do is to enter the primary artist or the band name. And after that, below here, the next thing that you need to do is to select the genre of the music that you will upload. So we have here ambient, Americana, anime, axe, and many more. And after choosing the genre, the next is the secondary genre, in which you can select either acid, afropunk, art, Asian, and many more. And also below here, you can select a specific language for the album that you are uploading. Now under the copyright and label, it will show you below here that it already contains our username. And now before we proceed to the next stage, make sure that you fill out all of the required information in here. Since if you click this button, track upload right here, and there's a missing info or field that you did not fill out, we will not be able to go to the next stage. So again, I'm going to enter here or select an artist name, and on this pop-up window, kindly click the search button and also select the artist type. And after that, it will show you below your profile account to Spotify, Deezer, or Apple Music. And all you need to do is to click Confirm Selection in order to successfully add this artist. And now, after filling out all the required information, we can now proceed to the next step, which is Track Upload section. So kindly click this button below here, Track Upload, and upon clicking on it, you will see a pop-up window that contains about your album summary. So as you can see, here are the details that we just input to our album info. And now to proceed, kindly click Looks Good button below. Then upon clicking on it, you will be directed under the Track Upload section, in which from here, just click Add Individual Track. And upon clicking on it, under this track upload, all you need to do is to enter or fill out all of the required field or information, starting from the title of it, and you can input a maximum of 200 characters in here. And below, it will show you the album level artist, and you can even add an artist or contributors by simply clicking the plus button right here. Then proceed by entering the artist name or contributor name. Then below, you are also required to enter their role, such as performer, featuring, remixer, or even a producer. Then from here, just select Confirm Selections to proceed. And after selecting the profile artist, we can now move on to add songwriters from here. And before adding a songwriters, you also need to remember that if all members of a duo or band ensemble are the songwriters, then that means they should be listed individually below here. And to do that, you can simply click the plus button below that says Add Songwriters, and it will show you a multiple fields of songwriters that you can add their name on it. And after adding the songwriters, we can now move on under to add musicians, in which you can select a musician name and also the instrument they play. But that is just only an optional field. So we can just skip this part and move on to the other field, which is this track language and also these lyrics. And as you can see under the lyrics, you can separate lines with return or separate verses with a hard double break. But these lyrics fields are also only an optional. So we can now move on under the explicit section, in which if your music contains explicit content or words, just click yes, but if not, just proceed by clicking the no option. And after filling out all of the record information, we can now move on by adding the tracks. And to do that, below the footer section in here, kindly proceed by clicking the Add Track button. And upon doing so, it will show you a track. And in order to upload your file, kindly click this triangle icon right here. And it will show you to choose an action, which is recorder, or also to choose from your music files. And after uploading your files, it will be directed or reflected in here. And after uploading a track, the next thing that we need to do is to upload an album art. And make sure that before uploading an album art, you need to follow these requirements, which is the file format contain or must be JPG or PNG, and the size of it at least 3000 by 3000 pixels, while the file size or the image file size cannot be greater than 35 MB. So you must consider all of these requirements before clicking the browse button below here. And you can start choosing on your files the album photo that possess all of these requirements. And let's say we already choose an album art, we can now proceed on the next stage, which is the distribution preferences, in which from here you can select a territory, but I'm going to stick with this world. And below here you can even schedule the release date. By clicking on it, you can simply select a specific kind of date that you want your album to be released, and also choose the release time zone, but both of them are just optional fields. And as you can see, I just choose December 30 as a release date. And aside from that, below you could also select a pricing or the pricing instructions, either custom, low, mid, or high. And aside from that, if you scroll down below here, it will show you the store distribution, in which this store display below are the based on the territory selected earlier in this step. And as you can see, we have here iTunes, Spotify, Apple Music, and many more. And now to proceed to the next step, just click this album preview. But make sure that you fill out all of the required information earlier. And now from here, it will show you all of the details that you just input or customized earlier. And now to start uploading your album, just click Distribute Album below. So that is just basically how you can upload song on ONErpm using Phone. Thank you.